Hey guys, so here this is Audi S3 8V. We have a standard LED illumination both over here and over here under the door card, and this is designed to illuminate this area when you are stepping into your vehicle or stepping out from it in complete darkness. But sadly this lamp is not very bright. Let me show you with the lights off. So now in complete darkness I'm going to open the door, and this one is pretty bright, but this one, well, next to nothing. If I cover my lamp over here, you can barely see anything. And I've already replaced this lamp in the front doors, and you can see how it works over here. When I cover the lamp, you can see that the spot over here is illuminated pretty well. So let me show you how I've done this. So we have modern cars like Audi eTrons and those Volkswagen IDs and all those Skoda and Seat hybrids, and instead of using those old lamps, they've replaced them with those, and it's the same size, the same connector, and well, it's just plug and play. I will show you the part number over here. You can see it, and well, the replacement is fairly easy. You might even don't need any tools, but I'm going to use them anyway because I don't want to hurt my fingernails. So let me show you how to replace them in two of the doors. But before, let me show you how this looks compared front and the back with the lights off. So let me turn off the lights once again. Okay, here's the vehicle. And this is front, and this is back. It's barely visible. Barely anything over here when the front is very bright. Okay, okay. So let's do the remaining doors so you know how to do it. You can use prying tools, but in my case it's just much easier with a hook like this one. So I'm over here at the back door, and I believe this is how you remove the lamp from the door card. And right now we have to unplug the wiring from the lamp. You can see that there's a little lock over here, a little tab that you need to press. You can use your fingernail if it's long enough. Disconnect. Take the new one. Connect it. Well, it's hard with one hand. And push it back in place, and we should be good to go. That's simple. Okay, so I have one more door to do, and you can also do trunk if it's using the same shape as well as the glove box. So keep that in mind, that you might need more than just 4 for your 4 doors, but maybe 6 or 7 depending on your light configuration in your vehicle. So in the description you will find part number for this, as well as over here on the video. And that's it for today. Oh, and there was no coding at all. This is plug and play, no adaptations, no nothing. Just remove the old one, install the new ones, and you are done. Thanks for watching, see you soon.